Hello, I'm Lily Allen, and this is In My Lady, where I show you the contents of my Lady Dior bag. First up, I have a book by Joan Didion, a book that I would love to tell you is fantastic, but I haven't started it, so I can't tell you anything about it. I have read another book of hers a few years ago, which I really enjoyed. Somebody on Instagram posted a picture of this one, so I bought it, and it's now in my handbag. We have a little mini Korg synthesizer. This is called a Volca bass. You can make funny noises on it and record them. You know, touch these things and make all the different noises. Some sunglasses, but these are particularly big sunglasses, which are very useful when leaving the facialist or plastic surgeon. Powder when my skin gets a little too shiny. A tangerine. Some AirPods for listening to podcasts and music when I'm out and about, walking around town. A card wallet. I have a smartphone with a picture of me and my beloved. A little mini notebook. This one is embossed with the word gratitude. And some fountain pens, because I write songs and ideas come into my head and I like to write them down rather than type them into a phone. This is cute. This is a little gold double-decker bus. My mum wanted to give me something that reminded me of home, so that's what this is. Thank you for having me.